So I just want to give you a quick heads up. I went to my local Dollar General and they had a display of seeds here for $1. That is cheap. They had, I should have got a lot more. They had cucumber, they had some winter squash, I believe it was a Hubbard butternut, again, spinach and other things. I went ahead and got some things that I didn't have or didn't have enough of, and that's marigolds are great for keeping squash bugs away, as are nasturtiums for keeping bugs away from your plants. And so I got some of those, but check your local Dollar General. And this specifically was Dollar General, not General Dollar or Family Dollar or Just a Buck or something like that. So I don't know whether all of them have this, but man, you can't find 4 for $1 nowhere. That's terrible English. You cannot find 4 for $1 if you search and search. That was great English. But I'm probably going to go back and get the veggies, even though I don't really need any of the veggies, just because they're cheap. Put them in the refrigerator or put them in the freezer. Do not vacuum seal them. Vacuum sealing can and will kill some seeds. Don't ask me how I know, because I did it. And it will kill the seed. The seed is a living thing and it needs oxygen. It's good to freeze it. I think it makes them last longer, or to refrigerate it. Freezing might be better simply because a refrigerator, you can get some condensation in there. But anyway, the main point of this is just how cheap these seeds are. 4 for $1. Now I looked on the back and it says packaged for 2022. So I'm assuming it's this year's seeds. You never know. In fact, some reputable companies will just do a germ test. They may have some seed that was last year's seed, and they'll do a germination test. And if it germs out, whatever is correct for that variety, 80%, 90%, 97%, whatever's correct for a variety or whatever they expect, they'll go ahead and sell it as this year's seed. And I don't see anything wrong with that, as long as they test the seed and you've got a good germination rate. So anyway, Dollar General, 4 for $1 on vegetable seeds, flower seeds. They had cucumbers that I know of, that I remember. May have had some green beans. I'm not sure about that. But it's a cheap way to get you a seed bank going. Run down there to your local one. This was way back in the back on a very obscure aisle on an obscure display case, a little small display case of seeds. And I didn't even look on the other side. The other side may have been chock full of some better stuff. I don't know. May not have had another side, but the back side could have had more seeds on it. I just need to go back, dadgummit. Look, all right. While I'm going back, you go back and get you something.